can I put this? Situations where team members have different opinions on the way forward is a regular issue in every project and may result in challenging discussions that must be addressed and managed in a manner that does not hinder the project's progress. Be prepared. Contextualize the situation. Think about the characteristics, position, responsibilities of the person you are going to talk to. Build. The location, beginning, and approach towards a conversation are crucial in establishing a trustworthy environment that enables productive communication. Explore. Making our point of view involves exploring the other person's perspective on the issue as well. Ask for their opinion. Show. Our point of view might have changed after listening to the other party. If it persists, we should state it clearly without generalizations. Take action. Each challenging conversation must lead to an accord and a pleasing conclusion for everyone involved. The objective is to uncover middle ground and answers. Post-conversation. Review of what has been agreed after the conversation and transmission to the rest of the team members.